do you use curry leaves as a hair tonic for hair growth? Pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil into a pan and add a handful of fresh curry leaves to it. Now, heat the oil until you see a black residue forming around the leaves. Stand at a safe distance away from the pan while you do this, as the oil is likely to splutter. Then, turn off the flame and let the mixture cool down. Once the tonic is cool, strain it. You can now apply it to your hair. Gently massage your scalp with your fingertips while applying the oil. Concentrate most on the roots and tips of your hair. Leave it on for an hour and then rinse it with shampoo. How often should you do this? Massage your scalp with this tonic 2 to 3 times a week before each wash to see significant changes within a month. The regular oiling and scalp stimulation will also help boost the rate at which your hair grows. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.